Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Levi This week's Parshas Balak. In the book of Numbers, chapter 23, verse 20, Bilam answers Balak, asking, "What hath the Lord spoken?" And he says that God is a man, and he doesn't lie. God is not the son of man, that he should repent. And behold, I am bidden to bless, and when he hath blessed, I cannot call it back. Says the holy Rebbe Levi of Parish, means to say, Me'ach shekabalti brachas l'kach lo yeshivena shleish kel v'chazev. It means that after I receive the blessings, therefore I cannot give them back, because God is not a man that he should lie. Masha ein ken hefech. However, the opposite is not the same. Chas v'sholom, God forbid, if there's a curse, yecholim lahashiv, we are able to return and make a curse turn around to a blessing. Ki tzadikim yecholim lafich ve'oisim serev acher mitzara l'ritzei l'ratza. The saints have the power to turn things around. For example, they could take the letters of one word and turn it around for something else. So the word sorrow, which means trouble, can be turned to ratza or ritzei, which means willing or goodwill. But however, anything that comes out of the mouth of God for good, eino choser, cannot return. So bad things can be turned around to good, but good things will always stay good. Kiyadua, as is well known. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.